Lamps should be replaced if not illuminating once the machine has completed its power-up. Lamps should also be replaced periodically as part of a machine service. To carry out lamp replacement, isolate the machine from the electrical mains at the isolator and lock off the supply. Ensure the external surfaces are clean before opening the optical box. Open the top doors of the optical box using the provided cabinet key. Allow the lamps to cool before attempting to remove. Inside the optical box, release the two background latches to access the background lamps. Open the background door. Twist the lamp 90 degrees to release the lamp from the lamp holder and lift the lamp out of the lamp pack. Both foreground and background LED and fluorescent tubes use the same lamp holders with closed and open position 90 degrees apart. Ensure that the replacement lamps are the same type as the lamp they are replacing. There is a polarity on LED tubes, so the positive end of the tube must be fitted into the positive end of the lamp pack. Fit the new tube into the lamp holders at both ends and then twist the lamp 90 degrees into the locked position. Ensure the LEDs are facing up when in the locked position. Close the background door and latch shut with the two door latches. To access the foreground lighting, the lamp pack needs to be brought back into the service position. Pull the locating pin out at one end and twist anti-clockwise to keep the pin retracted. Pull the pin at the other end of the lamp pack and pull the lamp pack until it is locked in the service position. Remove the foreground tubes in the same way as the background tubes, with a 90-degree twist to unlock. Replace the tube in the correct polarity, ensuring that when an LED tube is locked into the lamp holders, the LEDs are facing up. This will mean the LEDs are facing the product stream when the lamp pack is moved into the operating position. If you're replacing incandescent IR lamps, remove the reflector by releasing the securing clip and lifting the reflector out of the lamp pack. Pull the incandescent lamp from its connector. Push the new incandescent lamp into the connector. All IR lamps should be replaced together as part of a routine maintenance. Refit the reflector and secure with the clip. If you're replacing xenon IR lamps, pull these directly from the lamp holder. Place the new lamp over the holders and push to lock the lamp into position. Pull the lamp pack locating pin and return the lamp pack to the operating position. Release the retracted pin at the other end of the lamp pack. Release the locked gas spring and close and lock the optical box door. Carry out the same procedure to replace lamps in the rear optical box. Unlock the mains isolator and power up the machine. Look through the side windows to confirm that the LEDs are illuminated and facing the viewing area. If you replace any lamps, reset the lamp life on the GUI. Sign in at engineer level. Go to Facilities, select Statistics, and select Lamp Usage. Press the reset button for any lamps which have been replaced. This will reset the used and remaining lamp hours. Thank you for listening.